Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see about the installation process of Known CMS. Known is a free and open source CMS which offers a platform to share different types of posts like photos, notes, stories, etc. which was written in PHP and can be used with any type of database. Before installation, the requirements is to have LAMP setup, that is Apache MariaDB PHP. The version of PHP should be above 7. Now we start to download and install the package from its official website. Get the link, copy the link and paste it on your terminal. Before that, I'm going inside the Apache root directory. After installation, extract the file. After extracting your package, create a virtual host configuration. Save it. Provide owner permission and read-write permission. Restart your Apache service. Switch to your browser and enter your machine's IP. Let's get started. Provide the name of your site and other SQL database credentials. Name of your database, user, followed by the password, onwards. Here you can create your new account, that is admin or user account. This user will automatically have the administrator rights. Followed by the password. In this page you can create your profile. Provide your short bio, your name and other websites you can add here and save your profile. Provide the username as user1. If you want to add any other website, add and save. This is the welcome page and the first page of your website. Thus we have installed Known CMS on CentOS 7. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.